Now see friends, next topic, measurement of length. As you know, length is the distance between the 2 points is called length. For example, we measure width, breadth, depth, diameter, height, etc. All these are the measurement of the length. And the unit of the length, see, the CGS unit of the length is, C means centimeter. FPS unit of length, F means foot. So foot, FT. Centimeter, this is centimeter, cm, represented by cm. Measurement of length, and these are the units of the length. CGS system में C means centimeter, F means foot. So FPS unit of length is foot, और M case M means meter. So meter, M, represented by M. So MKS unit of length is meter, that is represented by M. This is also called SI unit, means standard international unit of length is meter. This is most important. What is the length? SI unit of length. This is the answer is the SI unit of length is meter. Now what are the multiples and sum multiples? First of all, we will see how we will measure the length. We can measure it with the help of meter ruler, or the tailor uses the measuring tape like this. This is the measuring tape and this is the meter ruler. You can see here in the book, this is the measuring ruler and this is the measuring tape which are used by the tailor to measure the length. So now what is the relation between these units? Multiples means the bigger unit and some multiples are the smaller units. So length के लिए सबसे smallest unit है millimeter and 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter. See, this is the meter ruler और इसमें 0 और 1 is written here and in between there are total 10 lines. After 10 lines there is written 1 and there is again 10 lines and the 10th line it is written 2. So it means this each small lines means millimeter and 1 is centimeter. This is 1 centimeter और 1 centimeter is made up of 10 millimeter. ये जो smaller lines हैं, these are represented, each line represent the millimeter. So 10 millimeter equals to 1 centimeter. 20 millimeter makes 2 centimeter. So smallest unit is millimeter and 10 multiplied by 10 means 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter and 100 centimeter makes 1 meter and 1000 multiply 1000. 1 meter multiply 1000 means 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer. So kilometer is the biggest unit. It is the multiple of the length and millimeter is the smallest unit of the length. Now what is the relationship between these units? 1 kilometer, you know, 1000 meter equals to 1000 meter, and if you have to tell what is meter, 1 meter is equals to, ये 1000 नीचे आ जाएगा, it means 1/1000 किलोमीटर, और you can write it like 10 और इस तीनों जीरो को हम ऊपर लेके जाते हैं तो ये माइनस में चला जाएगा. It means 10 to the raise power -3 किलोमीटर के इक्वल है ये. So 1 meter is 1000th part of 1000th part of kilometer. A kilometer is called meter. Meter is 1000th part of a kilometer. Now from this point we will define the meter as 1 meter is 1000th part of a kilometer. Now 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equals to 1/100. ये 100 यहाँ आ जाएगा नीचे, 1/100 मीटर, और हम इसे ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 10 to the raise power माइनस कितने जीरो है 2, so -2 meter. So how we will define the meter? Meter is 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter is called 1 meter. Now 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. From this meter ruler you can see 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter, or 1 millimeter is equals to 1/10 centimeter. If you want to see the relationship between millimeter and meter, so 1 millimeter is equals to 1000th part of a meter. 1 meter का 1000th part 1 millimeter है. It is also written as 10 to the raised power minus 3 meter. Milli means 1 upon 1000. Milli means 10 to the raised power minus 3. Both you can write. So millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. Now FPS unit. What is the FPS unit of the length? F means foot. 1 feet is equal to 12 inch. Okay? And 1 yard is equal to 12 foot. Inch is the smallest unit and yard is the bigger unit of the length in FPS system. And 1 feet is equals to 30.48 centimeter. You have to learn this. And 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeter. This is the relationship between foot, inch and centimeter. So now how you will measure the length using the meter ruler? There is one process how you will measure it. Suppose there is one pencil I have kept at point 0. यहाँ से हमने पेंसिल रखी और इसकी लेंथ है 3.2. पेंसिल की लेंथ टोटल 3.2 है. But we can see how we have to see what is the correct position of eyes. When we have to see here from here, this is clear visible that 3.2. But if we will see from this point, it will appear like 3.4. अगर this is the A point, this is the B point, और अगर हम यहाँ से देखते हैं तो ये हमें दिखाई देगा ऐसे. इट मीन्स यहाँ से अगर हम देखते हैं इस पॉइंट से तो हमें इसकी लेंथ 3 से भी कम दिखाई देगी, लाइक 2.8 या 2.9 सेंटीमीटर. और अगर हम ए पॉइंट से देखते हैं तो हमें यहाँ पे 3.4 के करीब दिखाई देंगी. और अगर हम यहाँ पे बी पॉइंट जो कि करेक्ट पोजीशन है बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट, दिस इज द करेक्ट पोजीशन and this is the 3.2 centimeter. So what is the correct length of the pencil is 3.2 centimeter. So correct position is perpendicular. It is not from these 2 points. B position to see the meter ruler to see the length is B position is correct and A and C position are not correct position. This is all about the measurement of length. In the next video we will see about the mass.